A distance matrix is a square matrix containing the distances, taken pairwise, between the points of a set. The options are the following. Draw lines. Draw lines in AutoCAD, between the points. Draw distance text. Draw a text with the distance in AutoCAD, in the middle point of the line between the points. Decimals. Decimals position for the distance text. Export distances to Excel. Export the Euclidean matrix distance to a Microsoft Excel sheet. Export coordinates to Excel. Export the coordinates for each point to an Excel sheet. Insert indices. Draw an index in AutoCAD, for each point, according to its position in the matrix. Order points by x-coordinate, so that the index increase as the x-coordinate of the points also increase. The coordinates of each point and the index sorted if you check the order points by x-coordinate box, depends on the user coordinate system in AutoCAD. The distances computed are tridimensional.